This is the 10th mile post area along the Rakwana-Deniaya main road in the Sabaragamuwa province. Following a torrential downpour, the entire road turned into a body of water. Newsfirst correspondent said that the road is under renovation during these days. A heavy machine that was moved for the renovation work had toppled over and the driver also sustained injuries. The water levels of the Nilbala river exceeded spill level following a heavy downpour experienced since last night, and this resulted in many low-lying lands and roads in Akurasa being inundated. Many roads and low-lying lands in Lower Lelwala in Vandurabagol were also flooded. In addition, vehicular movement along the Vanduramba-Kottawa road was disrupted due to earth slips and uprooted trees. The Sungavila road leading to the Somavatiya sacred grounds was flooded due to the rising water levels of the Mahavali river after catchment areas experienced heavy rainfall. Moreover, landslide warnings were issued for multiple localities in the districts of Badulla, Hambantota, Kalutara, Kandy, Kegol, Kurunagala, Matale, Matara, Nuvareliya and Ratnapura.